YouTube has just released a new AI feature to blow up small YouTube channels in 2025. Yeah, I just realized that this feature has been, updated in my YouTube studio, just yesterday. Okay. Yes, I don't know whether you are also having access to it. So I'm going to show you how to check whether you have access to it. And what this feature is going to do is that, it is going to scan through your channel to, see what your viewers have been, watching on your channel, and then give you ideas and tell you the kind of, content to create. Okay. You see, for most small YouTubers, all we do is to, take our phone, take our camera, and then film a video. You don't know what our viewers are looking for, what our viewers are interested in. Okay. So this new AI feature on the YouTube studio is going to scan your YouTube channel. Okay, to see what your viewers have been watching on your channel. Okay, and then give you information based on that. It's going to give you titles, it's going to give you video ideas, and it's even going to help you create your thumbnail there. It's going to help you script your videos. You get me? It's very, very interesting, so that you can also increase your views, increase your subscribers and your watch hours in 2025, right? So if this is something you find interesting, I would like you to, give this video a thumbs up, okay? And also subscribe to this channel as I go to my YouTube studio and show you how to find this feature and also how to use it. But that, so to find this feature, what you do is to, go to your YouTube studio, okay? Can't access this on the YouTube app, okay? So what you do is that you go to studio.youtube.com, okay? And then you get access to it. Okay? If you have a laptop, you can use your laptop, okay? So I'll be using my laptop. So in your YouTube studio, you go to your analytics. Then in your analytics, you go to inspiration. Oh, yes, so that is it. Inspiration. Yes. So initially the inspiration tab, this was what was only here. You understand? But then YouTube has updated it and has brought something new here, which is mind blowing. Okay, so look at something here. AI tool for brainstorming video ideas have moved to inspiration. Wow. So click here, right? Click on this one, inspiration. Go to inspiration. Now, yes, so this is it. I hope you can see it will pop up. Good. Now, you may not have access to this feature now. Don't worry if you don't have access. YouTube is, gradually rolling it out. So every content creator on YouTube here will get access to it. Okay. So this is how, it looks like, guys. This is how it looks like. So look at it. Explore and brainstorm video ideas. So these are topics that are of high interest. These are topics that your viewers are interested in, watching. You get me? And you can also, type in something here and then it is going to generate an idea for you. We will come there, but then let's take a look at this side first. Let me see if I'll get something more relatable. All right, guys. So this feature is absolutely crazy. Yes, it's very interesting. Look at something. You see, it has even generated a thumbnail here for you. Can you see the thumbnail? Can you see the thumbnail? Can you see the thumbnail? Look at the thumbnail. It has generated thumbnails for you, plus video topics, video ideas. Okay. And one thing about this particular feature is that what it gives you is what people are actually interested in on your channel. Okay. So you see, if you have realized, for some few days now, I've been creating content on YouTube monetization, how to grow your YouTube channel. You get me? Yeah. So YouTube has realized that my viewers have been watching those kind of videos, right? So it has found a way to give me video ideas on those topics to help me, keep on creating content like that. So let's look at the first one. My unexpected journey to 1,000 subscribers. You see, my viewers watching right now are interested in, getting 1,000 subscribers. So YouTube has given me this idea and also how to go about it. And according to this feature, it's telling me that it has a high interest. It means viewers are actually interested in this. You will look at it one by one. Okay, but then let's take a look at everything now. Is YouTube monetization worth it? You get me? So it is telling me that my viewers are interested in YouTube monetization. So to get an idea of, what this feature is telling you, what you have to do to click on it. Okay. All right. So it is loading. Good. So you can make a video on my unexpected journey to 1,000 subscribers. So look at the outline. Look, it has given you an outline. So let's click on show more. So look at something. it is actually showing you how to present your video. So if you're a new YouTuber and you don't know how to present your video, this feature is going to help you present your videos better. So look, a brief introduction to the milestone excitement, a brief introduction to the milestone excitement, how the journey began, you understand? And then you come to unexpected things and learnings, key strategies and takeaways, the power of consistency and perseverance, moving forward, etc. You get me? So it is actually giving you the outline on, how to start your video and how to present your video. Let me go back. Look at the titles here. The titles are crazy. 1,000 subscribers. My crazy journey, won't you believe? From 0 to 1,000 subscribers. My unexpected YouTube journey. So look at all these titles. You won't believe how I got 1,000 subscribers. It's easy. You get me? So it is giving you a lot of titles that can actually get you clicks. Okay, and look at the thumbnails. But then personally, I do not like these thumbnails, right? Yeah, so I will not use these thumbnails. But then if you are interested in using these thumbnails, you can use them, can download them and use. Okay, so now let's go to the second aspect of this particular feature, which is to brainstorm ideas. So you are going to enter something here, and then it is going to give you ideas about what to do. Okay, so let me enter watch hours. Watch hours. I've entered watch hours. Let's see what it is going to give us. Wow. So instead of going to ChatGPT to do that, you can do everything on your YouTube studio. You understand? If you don't have money to, purchase vidIQ, you can do everything here. So secret to watch time from top YouTubers. Ultimate watch time cheats. You get me? Look, watch time hack for small channels. How to increase watch time with playlists. Look, this video is of high interest. Okay, so we're gonna click on it and see how it is going to present to us. So look at the titles it has given us. Maximize your YouTube watch time, the playlist power. Don't waste time. Playlist strategy to boost watch time. Wow, this one is very, very nice. Okay. And then it has also given you some nice thumbnails here. So if you like them, you choose them. But then personally, I don't really like this thumbnail, so I will not, use them. Remember that YouTube wants people to stay on their platform. Okay, so once they have, introduced something like this on their platform, they actually want you to get views, okay, and, blow up in 2025 so that they can also make money. Whilst YouTube, you make money. If YouTube is not recommending your videos, I want you to watch this video on my screen and learn how YouTube actually recommends video using this particular feature I've explained in this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also don't forget to watch mine. Thank you very much. See you another time.